In today's video, I am coming out of retirement from YouTube to buy the best motorcycle in the game and doing this crazy race just because it looked fun. So let's see. I don't think I need a monster truck, but why not? I don't really want it, but I'll take it. I'd rather have this cool motorcycle, so I'm gonna go with the motorcycle purchase. Alright, now I'm gonna go on this motorcycle. I'm gonna do this race. See? Bro, do not tell me this thing is not allowed on it. Wait, but is my motor... Oh my god. This is allowed. So, I guess I'm using a monster truck. Just because they didn't allow my motorcycle. Yo, this thing is slow. Oh my god, I'm on an actual monster truck right now. Oh yeah. Oh, what a Tokyo drift, guys. I'm actually the goat at this. Oh my god. Alright. I low-key sucked at this race. So, I'm gonna use my dirt bike that I own. Here we go. To try to win. Going backwards at 4 miles per hour. Alright, let's go. Plus on this I can wheelie. Let's see how I do. I need to get a new PR. This already feels smoother. It's not that fast, but it's better. Alright, so I just wasted like 500k on a motorcycle. Not a motorcycle, a monster truck. And I wasted 300k on a motorcycle. That doesn't even work on this race. Alright. That was decent. What should I do next? This is my current. I have 1.5 million. Pretty decent. I'm a wheelie. Let's go. Oh no, that was not good. I think it would just be funny to just ride around in this. I'm gonna try to pull off a drift. Oh, that did not sound good. Oh, this is a pretty cool thing. They should buff it. Or maybe I can buff it myself. First, let's make this thing look a bit better. Let's make it gold. I just crap. Oh no. Now let's do performance upgrade force. Yes. Back. Yes. Alright, I'm maxed out I'm maxed out the monster truck. That should be the title of this video. I don't want to mess with the suspension. I don't know about race tires. Comment down below if I should make a video on how to make money fast, so you can also do stuff like this, like free to play, or like not like fully free to play, but you can do it free to play. Since I'd recommend buying gold wrap and VIP and just joining the group. What am I doing in the water right now? Yo. Alright, I'm gonna teleport away. Off-road race. No, can I use my crazy motorcycle on this? Oh my god. I just wasted money on this motorcycle. But I guess I'll use my fully maxed out monster truck. Should I start a series where I just start randomly maxing out a ton of stuff? I think that would be fun. Comment down below. Then I'd come out of retirement from YouTube. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I suck at this. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Why am I using race? I should be using like off-road tires. Not these tires. It's okay, I'm doing it. Let's go. My time was horrible, but I finished. I suck. Now, should I do the? I'll save the hardest race in the game for last. Not. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Tokyo Drift. Oh. I don't know why I spent 500k on this plus upgrade, so this is gonna cost like 700k on this motorcycle. Not even a motorcycle, a monster truck. It's actually pretty fun. But it can drift. I'm not even clicking the drift button, but it's straight up just drifting. Because we're all like bro, just completely coming down the stairs. I'm gonna finish. I got this. I like it. Yo, I'm full sending this. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna try again. I'm locked in. Fully locked in. Oh no. I don't even know what I'm doing. I've never been good at this race. What time did I get? My PR is 151. I just got 224. Wow. And I've never been good at this race. Alright. Bye guys. See y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.